Welcome to the future of food processing, where nature's finest mangoes meet cutting-edge technology in this state-of-the-art, sterile, and high-performance manufacturing facility today. At the heart of this industrial marvel, a revolution in snack production begins, transforming sun-ripened tropical fruits into exquisite gourmet treats through a sophisticated technical process. Only the most perfect mangoes are chosen. We'll harvest it at the peak of their sweetness to ensure every bite of the final product carries the essence of summer. Advanced robotics take the lead from the very first moment, handling the delicate fruit with unmatched care and efficiency that human hands could never consistently achieve alone. High-precision laser sensors scan every single fruit, meticulously measuring sugar levels and dimensions to ensure only the highest quality mangoes proceed further into our production line. This data-driven approach allows us to maintain a consistent flavor profile, ensuring that every batch of cookies meets our rigorous standards for taste and nutritional value. The massive machinery begins its rhythmic dance, a symphony of engineering excellence, designed to process tons of fresh fruit while preserving the delicate integrity of the mango. With the green light given, the journey from fresh fruit to golden cookie officially commences, marking the start of a truly remarkable technological and culinary transformation. The cleaning phase begins with high-pressure jets, delivering a thorough wash that removes every trace of dust and residue using pure, filtered water for absolute food safety. Subsequent ozone sterilization ensures a level of cleanliness beyond traditional methods, neutralizing any microorganisms without the use of harsh chemicals or affecting the fruit's natural flavor. Gentle agitation helps reach every curve and crevice of the fruit, preparing it for the next stage of processing where the vibrant skin will be carefully removed. Automated peeling systems use precision-engineered blades to strip away the skin with minimal waste, ensuring that the maximum amount of delicious fruit flesh is preserved for use. The destoning process is equally efficient, utilizing specialized mechanics to separate the seed from the fruit pulp, leaving behind only the pure, golden mango meat for processing. These pristine fruit segments are now ready, shining with natural juices and a rich aroma that fills the processing hall as they head toward the extraction units. Every piece is continuously monitored, ensuring that only the most vibrant and healthy portions of the fruit make it into the heart of our secret cookie recipe. The fruit is sliced into uniform sections, a process that prepares the mango for a seamless transition into a concentrated essence while maintaining its inherent nutritional value. Precision humidity controls manage the surface moisture of the fruit, optimizing it for the high-power extraction phase that will soon turn solids into a concentrated golden liquid. Sustainability is key, as our advanced water recycling systems ensure that every drop is purified and reused, reflecting our commitment to both technology and the environment. The extraction begins as a fresh mango is pulverized into a smooth, velvety puree, releasing the intense fragrance and concentrated flavors of the fruit into the air. This golden nectar is the soul of our product, containing all the natural sugars and vitamins found in fresh mangoes, now captured in a versatile liquid form. High-speed centrifugal filters remove excess fibers, resulting in a smooth, consistent extract that will blend perfectly with our dough without altering the final cookie's texture. In the vacuum concentration chamber, we lower the boiling point to remove moisture at low temperatures, preserving the heat-sensitive vitamins and the authentic mango aroma. What remains is a powerful concentrated mango essence, rich in flavor and naturally sweet, as serving as the primary flavoring agent for our signature fruit cookies. Driven by precision pumps, this essence travels through a network of hygienic pipes, ensuring no contamination occurs as it moves to the next critical stage. Quality control is constant. Every liter of extract is tested for density and sweetness to ensure the flavor profile remains identical across every batch we produce. The richness of the fruit is undeniable, a pure concentration of nature's candy that will soon define the unique character of our world-class fruit biscuits. This industrial setup represents the pinnacle of food science, where complex engineering processes are used to honor and enhance the simple beauty of a tropical fruit. With the extraction complete, we have captured the heart of the mango, ready to be infused into the dough for a truly authentic fruit experience. The mixing phase begins with the finest sieved flour, falling like fresh snow into the mixer to form the base of our light and crispy cookie dough. Then comes the magic ingredient, our pure mango concentrate, poured into the flour to infuse every grain with the natural sweetness and vibrant color of the fruit. The heavy paddles turn with precision, kneading the ingredients together into a uniform, supple dough that carries the distinct fragrance of fresh mangoes throughout the room. Achieving the perfect consistency is an art, balanced by AI, controlled sensors that adjust the mixing speed and duration based on the dough's real-time elasticity and temperature. To enhance the sensory experience, we add tiny pieces of premium dried fruit, ensuring that every bite contains a delightful surprise of real mango texture and flavor. The result is a golden aromatic dough, a perfect harmony of high-quality grains and pure fruit essence, while ready to be shaped into our signature cookie forms. Precise portioning ensures that every cookie is exactly the same weight, maintaining the perfect balance of ingredients and ensuring even baking in the later stages. The dough moves gracefully forward, its vibrant color a testament to the high concentration of real fruit used in our unique, secret proprietary blending process. Every step is designed to maximize flavor and texture, while ensuring that the essence of the mango is never lost during the rigorous industrial mixing process. This is the golden ratio in action, a precise scientific formula that translates into a mouth-watering experience for fruit lovers across the entire world. Precision molds now take over, stamping our signature logo onto each piece of dough with mechanical perfection, creating thousands of uniform cookies every single minute. The cookies enter the tunnel oven, a long temperature-controlled environment where the real transformation from raw dough to crispy golden delight finally takes place. While our AI-managed baking system monitors the heat at every inch of the oven, ensuring that each cookie is baked to perfection without any burnt edges. Advanced thermal imaging allows us to see the heat distribution in real time, making micro-adjustments to the airflow to guarantee an absolutely consistent bake every time. As they emerge, the cookies are golden, crispy, and infused with the deep caramelized aroma of cooked mangoes, a scent that is truly irresistible to anyone. Gentle cooling is essential to lock in the crunch, as the cookies move through a controlled environment that brings them down to the perfect temperature for packaging. The scale of production is immense, yet the attention to detail remains as high as if each cookie were being baked by hand in a gourmet kitchen. Notice the beautiful texture and the real fruit pieces peeking through, a clear visual indicator of the premium ingredients used in our unique, high-tech baking process. Consistency is our promise. From the top logo to the bottom surface, every single cookie is a masterpiece of modern food engineering and traditional flavor. Final checks on moisture levels ensure the cookies will stay fresh and crunchy for longer, providing the same great taste from the factory to your home. This baking process is the heart of our operation, combining the power of AI with the timeless appeal of a perfectly baked, fruit-filled biscuit. Nothing but perfection is allowed. Our high-speed AI vision systems scan thousands of cookies per second, instantly rejecting any that don't meet our visual standards. Ultra-fast Delta robots then take over, their spider-like arms moving with dizzying speed and precision to organize the cookies into their final packaging trays. The packaging is sealed using advanced infrared technology, creating an airtight, sterile environment that preserves the cookie's freshness and flavor for months to come. Branding is the final touch, as labels are applied with mechanical accuracy, completing the transformation of raw fruit into a world-class consumer product. Efficient palletizing robots stack the finished goods, preparing them for a journey that will take the taste of these mangoes to enthusiasts across the globe. In our smart warehouse, technology continues to manage every box, ensuring that logistics are as precise and efficient as the production line itself. The process is complete. From fruit to box, our quality control ensures that every package leaving this facility is a symbol of our technological excellence. The moment of truth, a perfect crunch that releases the intense, natural flavor of mango, a testament to the sophisticated process that created it. From the lush farm to the high-tech factory and finally to your hands, we deliver the pure essence of nature through the power of innovation. Experience the breakthrough in fruit snack technology. What tastes the perfection of a cookie that honors its origins while embracing the possibilities of the future. Mango cookies, a masterpiece of flavor driven by technology. Join us in celebrating the perfect blend of nature and science in every single bite.